Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage open houses with Realty ONE Group. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, gather all necessary materials for the open house. This includes brochures, business cards, and a sign-in sheet. Next, prepare the property by ensuring it is clean and well staged. Open curtains to let in natural light and create a welcoming atmosphere. Set the temperature comfortably, ensuring it is neither too hot nor too cold. Consider having light refreshments available for visitors. Now, create a strategic marketing plan to promote the open house. Utilize social media platforms to reach a wider audience. Post engaging content with appealing photos and details about the property. Additionally, place signs around the neighborhood directing potential buyers to the open house. On the day of the event, arrive early to set up the space. This gives you time to ensure everything is in order and to make adjustments if necessary. When the doors open, greet each visitor warmly as they arrive. Encourage them to sign in on the sheet provided for follow-up. During the tour, provide insightful information about the property's features. Share details about the neighborhood and local amenities as well. Be attentive to questions and offer clear, informative answers. As visitors leave, thank them for attending and invite them to reach out with any further inquiries. After the open house concludes, follow up with the sign-in sheet contacts. Send personalized messages thanking them for attending and offering additional information. Evaluate the success of the open house by reflecting on visitor feedback and engagement. Use this information to refine your approach for future open houses. Finally, review your marketing efforts to identify what worked well and what could be improved. With these steps, you will effectively manage open houses and enhance your real estate business with real. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.